Well, thank you for joining me. I'm going to be looking at question 14 here. And it says the sum of an arithmetic sequence is given by a formula, which is 6n minus 3n squared. And we want the common difference and the first four terms. The first four terms of that sequence. Well, here we go. We don't know what u1 is, but we can find the sum of the first term. If we find the sum of the first term, n equals 1, and that will tell us the sum of the first term. So the sum of the first term is 6, take away 3 is 3. Well, we know the first term already. That's going to help us here. And let's find the second term. If we know the second term, we can get the common difference. So 6 times 2 minus 3 times 2 squared, and that's 12, minus 3 fours are 12, and we get 0. Well, therefore, D is in fact the difference between the second term. No, this is the sum. All right, okay, this is not the second term. This is the sum of the second term. Therefore, we know that if let's just show this as u1. Just show this as u1, u2, u3, and u4. The first term, second term, third term. We know that the sum of the first term is 3. Therefore, we've got 3. So we already know that. Now we know that the sum of the first two terms is equal to 0. Therefore, 3 plus u2 is equal to 0. So therefore, u2, the second term, 0 minus 3, is negative 3. It's like saying that the sum, the second term is equal to the sum of the first two terms minus the sum of the first term. So it's the sum of the first two terms minus the sum of the first term, and you've got the second term. So that's an alternative way. The sum of the second term was 0. The sum of the first term was 3. So we know the second term. So it's the first term was 3. The second term was negative 3. Now we can get the common difference. The common difference is the second term minus the first term. So negative 3 minus 3. And we get that they're going down by 6. Now if they're going down by 6, therefore we can simply say D is negative 6. So we can say the third term is the first term plus, we'll use that formula. So the first term is positive 3. Here we've got the third term, and here we've got lots of 6, negative 6. 3 plus 2 lots of negative 6 is 3 plus negative 12, which is negative 9. So we've got negative 9. Now we don't really need to do all of this, right? Because once we know it's going down by 6, couldn't we just say 3, negative 3, down by 6, negative 9, down by 6, so down by 6, and then down by 6 is negative 15. We could simply just say the first four terms and just drop each value by negative 6. So that saves having to show the formula. All right, I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.